Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download iOS 19 update in your any iPhone. If your iOS 19 update is not showing, I'll show you how you can get that. So first of all, make sure you guys jump to your iPhone settings page, and here you will see general section here. Make sure you connected with Wi-Fi, and it should be a stable connection, right? So jump to general section here and you will see software update. Click on that, and here you can see here the automatic updates are on. Make sure all the three options are on. Hit on beta. If your option is selected on off, select iOS 19 developer beta here. You gonna see iOS 19 after June 9 or June 13. If you are looking for iOS 19 before that, before June 2025, it will not work because right now Apple is running iOS 18 public betas and developer betas. iOS 19 has not been released yet. So make sure you wait for at least June till June 9 to June 13. After that, Apple gonna release this iOS 19 first developer beta. So instead of iOS 18 betas, you will see iOS 19 developer beta on the third line. Hit on that, make sure your check mark is on developer beta section after June 13, and then you will see iOS 19 first beta. As in my case, it shows iOS 18.5 beta because Apple is running these updates. And make sure you have proper enough storage space so that no interruptions will be shown in your case. So this is the easiest way. I'll upload a quick tutorial after June 9 so that you will be able to complete that update process. So this is the whole trick. If you are not seeing that update, there is another trick. You can jump to our Safari page for the iOS 18 developer beta, something like that, and you can enroll for beta in your iPhone. You can enroll your Apple account to get the beta software updates. But this process is after the iOS 19, so we'll wait for iOS 19 so that you can get the update by watching that tutorial. So this was the whole trick. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.